A quick dive into free public BTC market structure analysis based on Shavyfxhub strategy. I do like to look and see what we normally look out for, which is the break of structure. Like I said, BTC has been projecting very long weeks. On the weekly, we've got some analysis showing us a buy level at 47, 47, 45 level. But we do like to look at the current structure on the daily time frame. What is the structure saying? Using market structure analysis, we don't speculate, we try to interpret the structure of the market based on break and retest. We try to see where the structure is broken. What structure are we talking about? Looking at the support structure, we're looking at the resistance structure. We try to spot the breakout candle and see a return to a broken structure. So let's dive in quick one. Let's go. On a bullish rally, we'll have a rejection here to the upside. I do like to tell you if the market turns uptrend, where you are going to, based on the structure of the market. The structure will tell you where you are going to. So the structure never lies. So what do we have here? Here we have a support structure. So we'll continue to see how the support structure is upheld. What do I want to see at the end of the day? A breakout of a support structure. By any means, by any character, once I spot a breakout of a support structure, I will tell you what next you see. Support structure 1, I will call SR. It's always good to allow the market to create a structure, allow it to create the breakout structure, then you take action. That is why patience is critical. When market is creating a structure, it creates a structure with a chart pattern, give you a bullish or bearish price action. Then you step in to do the needful. We have 3 retests on this floor, creating a strong support structure. A break of the support structure, the structure now becomes a resistance structure, ROS. We have here ROS, and we have another one, RT, a retest candle here, and we have a retest candle here. So what structure was broken? If we look out on the daily, price found support at this level, and Saturday 13th April 2024 broke the support structure. The moment we spot a broken support structure, we go back to analysis again, to our strategy to see. Look at our ascending support structure, support 1, support 2, support 3, break of a support structure on 2 dimensions. A support structure is broken on 2 dimensions, on a horizontal level and on an inclined dimension, on 2 dimensions. So but you see, now we start to play on a resistance structure. Previous SR becomes current RS. So this is our new RS structure, detailing and revealing the direction of the market. I want price to continue to play in the new, price to continue to play in the new RS structure, where resistance automatically will become support on break of structure. So I like to put my zone above the line because of projected wicks. So this becomes a new sell zone based on the daily structure. So let's go back. You see support become resistance on break of structure. Support becomes resistance on break of structure. We have another support and a break of a support structure and a retest candle. Price return again on a retest. Now we play in RT and ROS. So we can put them together, a retest candle and as a resistance support structure. So price is playing on resistance at the moment. We have RT, ROS. On this we have the retest candle, we have price return, ROS. Again, resistance becomes support. Price have left to the upside. We have enough space, we have enough room to the upside. We have enough room to the upside. So I'm going to take this line out because I don't need it. And we will come back to visit it. And we want to see to the downside how is price playing. Like I said, the market is heavily bullish. We will be picking the wicks. We pick the wicks because we are interested in a safe floor and a safe roof. So on the floor, we have price create two support floor. I call them SR. So this is technically what you have for your favorite BTC. So we have support 1, we have support 2. The triangle is expanding, showing room. Now you see the trade has come to the middle. The strategy is not to trade the middle. The strategy is to stay on the floor or to stay on the roof. I will call this roof slash selling zone. And also ATL, ascending trend line. This is an ascending trend line. It is on the ascending trend line, you look for a sell opportunity. It is on the descending trend line, you look for a buy opportunity. This is a descending trend line. Every time price makes its way on this floor, it becomes a critical buy. So I would like to add a little zone to it, just to beautify it, just for the purpose of beauty. I like to make the other ones, just to make it look fun. I mean, it's not something special. You can ignore it. So this is the floor slash buying zone and also a descending trend line. So you can see the price, a touch at the roof, a touch at the floor, another floor, 2 points creates a buying floor. So we have two buying. We have a buying floor here. So it's either you wait or you continue to play with others and get your fingers burnt. There is no way you can approach the market without using the structure of the market. This is a daily time frame. And we need to look at other possibilities where we can get opportunities on intraday. There you see on the roof, price is building liquidity from the roof side. It's building liquidity on the roof side with a possible breakout either to the upside or continue selling. If you look from the roof, we have a mid-term roof. When I project roof, I like to look at a long-term roof and mid-term roof. When you look at the mid-term roof, you can see the structure more like a flag. It has to define itself properly for us to see what it wants to do. So price has been creating resistance in a build-up liquidity channel. There is a plan for this. For every time it touches this roof, it take profit, sell. Every time it comes to the roof, it take profit, sell. And in the current price action, we have another break and retest from this level. Like I say, every time we look at price, what we want to see is a break and retest, either on a higher time frame or on a lower time frame. So when we see break and retest on a higher time frame, we look at multiple confluence. Multiple confluence gives a higher probability and gives a clear direction of bias. It's a conviction and it gives you accuracy and winning ratio higher in the financial market. So you see we have another structure here. On intraday, we look out for break of structure. It's not just looking on a higher time frame. We look out for true break of structure on intraday. And when we spot intraday opportunities, we look at the risk considering that price has left. True buying and selling has left. The market is playing in the range. Makes it very risky, but we will look out for positions based on market structure. So I like to see and also explain what price has done through the understanding of market structure, the only structure that addresses the true market behavior. It shows you a graphical representation of the motion of buying and selling, where buyers and sellers are contesting with each other on a daily. Whose emotion will win at the end of the day. So here we have an SR level. So these are all SR level. We have a break of structure here, a resistance level, a support level, a break of a support level, price return on resistance, and we have break of a resistance structure, price bought. So here will become my SR, here my SR, and also a retest candle, but I like to use it SR. And we have here as retest candle, or we can say as resistance becomes support, and also I consider it to a retest candle. For now, let's go with RS, where resistance will become support on break of structure. What has happened when the resistance level was broken? Price bought here, price bought here, price bought here. A break of a resistance structure becomes a support. Now, a break of a resistance support structure on the second time, the support structure was broken. Now we are playing on a resistance structure. Now, what do we have here? A breakout candle in the month of August 2nd, 2024. We have this structure broken. This comes back here as a retest candle. I told you the strategy is the only strategy that explains the emotion of buying and selling using charts, graphical representation. It tells you where price is going, and we will look at it holistically to know exactly where buyers and sellers are going next using the structure of the market. RT1, RT2. RT2 on Saturday was a clear definition of another sell. Look at the beautiful structure. I want to change the color to black to differentiate a support structure, a break of a support structure, retest. Now we have here as a resistance to upswing. Price return broke the structure. The resistance structure is broken, becomes a support structure. played buy multiple times. Break of a buy structure. Price is playing sell from the break of a support structure. Now you can see from the downside, we want to see daily trend line. This will be your newly daily trend line. Based on the structure of the market, price found support at this level, came back again, found another support. So these are set places to wait for your buy. But believe me, the structure of the market says that you could be coming back here if you are not careful. If you are not careful, you will come to the zone of 44K. Within this line, this is where you will be looking for buy opportunity. This is where you will be looking at buy opportunity. 44,000, 43,000, 43,000 into 42,000 as the day goes by. So in the month of September, now we're in the month of October. The month of October will continue to see price into 42, 43, 44 level. This is the price we expect in this month. So if we manage to break out from this structure, the black resistance structure, previously a support structure, then expect the take of liquidity. This sell liquidity accumulating can be taken if buyers can make their way above this structure. Then we can see a new all-time high in the month of November, could be in the month of October, whichever way you want to look at it. So you see price in the range, in the zone of 90 something K, just to take away all the accumulated sell targets. You can see a lot of people are playing into the trap. Price built a structure in the month of March, another structure in the month of April, forming a descending trend line. I will also mention it, DTL, descending trend line. And you see price has been playing into it technically. And we have a mid-term resistance structure that held price after the double top structure. We have a double top, you can see the double top, a break of the neckline of the double top, retest 1, retest 2. I believe price might attempt again, or we have a pull down. So if you are keen on this very asset, it is best to allow price to return to intraday trend line, which will be somewhere around here, for you to seek a buy opportunity. If you seek buy opportunity here, you are seeking buy opportunity based on technical formation. But if you are a big trader, you wait at this level, you buy at the break of a previous low and sell at the break of a previous high. This is the previous low. It is wise to sell from the break of the previous low. You buy from the break of the previous low, while price is maintaining at the same descending trend line. To the upside, we have a break of structure here, a retest to the break of structure, another retest to the break of structure, and price is played up, technically wise, to wait for a big payday at the 90 something zone. You never know how this can play, but it's going to take a while. So we continue to see the structure the way it's playing, and this is our previous high. So we like to pay respect to previous high, as price may return to the previous high to test. So you watch a break of a previous high signals presence of buying impulse. So we look at it, this is a previous high, add a little zone to it. You can never tell, price may return to the previous high in the zone of 73,179